Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I almost forgot to start the video today. Eric's here visiting.
Hey, everybody.
Riley's in the other room getting dressed. So we are headed out this morning for a hike, but we wanted to trade, of course, and we're killing it. We're up 27 pips now. Almost 28, there it is, 28. It's not even 8 a.m., so we're gonna look to probably close this trade here at the end of this candle, just take the profit. I actually already closed half of it, which is why you can see my stop loss, the white line, is locked beneath my buy price, which is the black line. That means that if it was to turn up and spike me out or something like that, I couldn't lose the trade. So I like to do that once trades move into profit to a certain level. For this type of trade, after 15, 20 pips, I'll take half of it off, lock the stop loss at break even or in a little bit of profit. That way I can't lose the trade. I've done that 3 times this week, and now I've got my third winner here. GN on Monday, GN on Tuesday, and now GbpJpy here on Wednesday. So it's really good. Look, 30 pips now.
Take profit was just hit as we're standing here for me over here.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. 30 pips.
Yeah, look, 30,
Beautiful.
33 pips now. Ripping. Ripping. All right, so since we're making the vlog here, guys, I'm gonna actually close the trade for you guys on the vlog. Right there, you can see up 32.
Let's do it.
And we're out, just like that. To the mountain.
Onwards.
You hear the electricity?
You can like hear the static electricity. That's powering a whole bunch of shit down below. Whoa. All right, guys, so we made it to the top of the mountain real fast. I want to let you know that this video, like the rest of my videos recently, has been sponsored by Audible. If you're interested, 2 free audiobooks, link is in the description. So we made it up here. We got a lot of marketing picks done. Eric got electrocuted by his water bottle because we're under these huge electrical wires and these, like, look, show them that way. It runs all the way down the hill. It's pretty cool. You can actually hear the electricity.
You can feel the static electricity in the rock.
Guys, Eric's vibrating.
Yeah. Feel it.
Don't giggle. So we're gonna head back to the house now. Probably go to the gym. Don't fall, bro. Come on, we're almost done. Probably go to the gym, and then, like I said, maybe the pool if the rain holds off. Hopefully it will.
Woo!